What's up, my glam dolls? I got a video for y'all. This look right here. How y'all feeling this look right here? Yes? No? Thumbs up? Thumbs down? Let me know down below. But yes, this look, I used my Lick and Lash Beauty palette and a shade from my Juvia's Place Saharan palette to come up with this double cut crease halo eye look for y'all today, y'all. Okay? Okay. Y'all with it? Y'all with it or not? Anyway, if this is y'all first time watching, welcome. My name is Shay and you are watching Glamplified Beauty, okay? So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all tap that bell so y'all get notified every time I upload another video. And for my babies, my glam dolls, what's goody? What's up? Hashtag glam doll gang, notification gang, what's up? This look took forever, y'all. When I say forever, I mean forever. I had to get up, cook, sit down, drain, pull up, drain, pass out, drain. Oh, sorry, my bad. But yeah, y'all, I think this look came out cute. I love it. This is my winter wonderland because the only thing cold that I like is on my face. That's it. That's it. And this is ice cold, baby. Okay, ice cold. But yeah, to believe it or not, to make this lip shade, it's not even a lipstick, it is eyeshadow. Okay, so I use eyeshadow because I want a color like this, but every time I check on the crayon case, they all gone. But that's neither here nor there. It's about this look right here. Okay, what y'all think? Anyway, make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. I hope y'all enjoy the tutorial that I have brought to you guys. And I think I want to say thank you. Lastly but not least, I want to say thank you for all my ride or dies. Y'all know who y'all are. And for my newbies who will be subscribing soon. Right now. But let me stop playing, okay? I am outie. Thank y'all for clicking. Thank y'all for watching, commenting, liking, whatever y'all are doing. Y'all are here with me right now watching this intro, watching this video. Hopefully, I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, glam dolls.
I know when you text me, girl, I don't always reply. Well, you're not.
Bye.